Welcome back, y'all. Our friends from Texas have arrived, and after picking them up from Musket Cove, we zoomed out to Cloud 9 where the boys got to relive their teenage dreams, and we got to truly show them the breathtaking views of the mermaid life. After the sketchy, narrow, threading the needle into Mana Island, let's just say somehow we lost footage from our first day on the island. Cue the devastation and tears. But life goes on, and we'll just keep that day to ourselves. So moving on to day 2 on Mana Island, where we explore the opposite side and find just as much beauty. A survivor site our friends are pumped to witness in real life, and we continue our resort hopping tour, popping over to Qalito Island, where Castaway Resort is located. Come along for the ride as we search for Wilson! Good morning, YouTube. It has been a glorious run. We got Leah and Eric hanging out, and we've just been exploring Mana Island, checking all the survivor spots. We got another hike coming up today. Bunch of amazing snorkeling, hanging out on the resort yesterday. But, you know, this morning, our time is delayed a little bit because our neighbors are going to be picking up anchor here shortly. And since they're fairly close, we want to stay on board, so we want to make sure that they don't bump into us when they're pulling up that chain. So we're going to stay on board. So while we wait, Connor has made our guests get to work.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Cleaning some stuff off the side of the boat. Looks like grass, but I think it's something else.
Yeah, just of all the seaweed that has accumulated. See, this is what happens when you come stay with us at our Live-O sailing. It ain't no free ride. We make Eric do like this.
You're doing such a good job, babe.
Thank you.
Next up, you're going underneath and getting the deep abyss, the bottom.
Yeah.
There's a Live-O. We just came docked there, walked along the beach here, and then right at these rocks, it's a sneaky little trail I probably wouldn't have seen if it wasn't for these two. That took us to people's backyards. Reverse. Trying a different trail. All you can probably hear is me huffing and puffing. Not sure if this is the right path, but we're going up, we're going towards it. Oh wow, look at the boats.
Oh,
Wow.
pretty.
Well, that was well worth it. We still have the cross to get to, which is right there. But what an epic view, 360-degree view of the whole entire island. Apparently that's the Survivor Challenge.
Yep, challenge area.
Challenge area. Looks like there's a reef way out there with some boats anchored next to you. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's the sandbar we saw yesterday.
It is.
Oh,
That's cool. We should go over there.
that actually would be really cool. And then continuing on. Woo! High five again. What beautiful start of the day. How gorgeous is that? Fiji, you keep blowing my mind. It is absolutely stunning here. I don't want to leave. And it's getting close to wrapping up Fiji, and I've got to get used to it because Connor's going to go back to work and I'll be with the baby at home, so I'll be doing some things like this, hiking with the baby strapped on me instead of in me. Wow, look how shallow and narrow that pass looks at low tide. Wow, it's like a little creek. challenge arena. Cool. This is so much more fun to do this with these two guys because they are frothing like they are seeing like epic surf waves. So it makes me really excited.
Come in, guys.
Oh my god.
Welcome to your challenge.
We're not here to take part, we're here to take over.
This is crazy.
So Leah's been watching Survivor for 25 years. So
Over half my life.
over half her life. So big fan. So I'm sure she's seen this area filmed so many times. So to be here is always such a, just a wild feeling.
Fever dream.
Yeah, fever dream.
One day, I'll be up here playing the Survivor challenge.
We have explored, it seems like, every inch of this island, all around, and then this is where we finale. Oh yeah, baby. Another high five. Woo! What an epic day. I really love this Mana Resort. I will have to say that even potentially comparatively to Musket Cove, besides Musket Cove does have a little shop, which is really great for cruisers, this one is so pretty. And we have fully enjoyed all the snorkeling, hiking, and this cool little area. And there's Connor, he has arrived. Well, here we go. We have had so much fun on Mana Island, Survivor Island, our little Survivor Challenge Island, and it is time to head. We're gonna try to go to Qalito Island, which is kind of, they call it Castaway, where Castaway Resort is. So hopefully we get to hold on to Wilson! And, but first things first, we gotta navigate this pass again. But it's an absolutely gorgeous day, no clouds in the sky. Well, maybe just like one or two, but I think we'll be all right. Just gonna navigate this little zigzag through here once and for all. Here we go. Always a little easier on the take two because Connor's just following his tracks. So there's a reef right there. Little, especially when you saw the view probably from the top of, where is it? That mountain. It looked like such a narrow pass. And for the surfers out there, there is a tiny little right that is long boardable at a good tide. Right now it's kind of a mid-tide, so it's not quite working, but yesterday I think we went on a lower tide and it was a beautiful right. You got to be careful with the reef, but with a longboard it would be so fun. We've arrived at Castaway Island. Welcome to Castaway Island. We're gonna find Wilson!
Yeah, it's all right.
To your table.
No coconuts here either. We are having a tough time finding coconuts around here. It's not dinner time yet.
Oh, he found some kind of dinner. He's munching.
Wow, that's cool. Told these girls I wanted to find Wilson, and this is where they're taking me.
But look, it's so fun and colorful. Just smile and be happy.
That's not Wilson. Bride walking up that damn thing. Go get her a cart. Sunset spot. I got it on camera.
Cheers! Wow, and look, that sky looks amazing.
Best vacation ever.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming, guys. Oh, yeah. All right, what's been the highlight?
There's been a couple of highs. I think one of them would be the hike this morning, the conversations we have at night,
Yes.
and then the snorkeling this afternoon where I saw a shark. It's pretty cool.
For shark?
And a puffer.
I saw a shark one time in La Jolla too.
Nice.
Not a great white though.
Yeah, like one of those, what are they called? Not a
Leopard
tiger?
sharks, I think.
Leopard, yeah.
Yeah.
Leah?
You nailed it. That's exactly how I feel. Seeing all the challenge arenas, I really geeked out on the survivor stuff. And the snorkeling. And the company.
And the low.
What's a low? We
The
always
low
do a
would
high and
be
low.
just sometimes the boat's a little too rocky. Yeah. Yeah.
It's okay.
Not too bad.
Could be worse.
Yeah. I would love to bring my kids back to Fiji. I don't think we'll ever make it back here, so I'm glad that we got this like once in a lifetime.
Maybe we'll win the lottery and then we'll hire Connor and Navina to run the boat.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll win Survivor.
Oh, now we're dogging. Happy long life to you. Bless you. The boys tapped out. The girls are holding strong. We're doing one more hike today. Well, maybe it's not a hike. Today we are doing the bushwalk. But it did look lovely because we did see a part of the trail go by the boat. So hopefully we find some goats because we keep seeing goats from the boat. Yeah, that's right. I just totally fall. First little lookout point. Beautiful. I'm huffing and puffing. Hair had to go up. Heart rate is high.
There's your boat right there.
Way down there. Yeah, we are renaming this little bushwalk to Bush Mountain.
Bush Mountain.
Good job, though. Whew! Another hike. Onward. Post hike. Phew. We have just dropped off Eric and Leah at the airport. We stopped in dinner out, had an amazing dinner, and just have been reflecting on the last 5 days. They have been so fun. Leah and Eric, you guys are the best guests. We have way too much fun with you guys, and it's just incredible to have two couples from very different kind of lifestyles, but so open and having the most beautiful conversations and sharing the inspiration of how we see each other and how we can improve our lives for the better. They have two beautiful girls that are teenagers, and it's so inspiring to see, you know, their incredible marriage that they've gone, you know, they got married very young, and it's just so fun to spend time with friends. We wish you guys stayed longer. We miss you, and we love you so much, and check out the sunset you are missing right now if you just stayed one more night. We're taking the local bus today. West Bus. We have nowhere to go, nowhere to be. We're just gonna...
No idea where we're going.
No idea where we're going.
That's right. We have nowhere to go and everywhere to be. So let's romp around Denarau, getting our bearings of city life, finding fresh fruit and kava ceremonies.
Look what I also got. I got pineapple.
And most importantly, we found out the gender of this little bundle of joy growing in my belly. So see you next week to find out if we're having a boy or a girl. Comment your guesses below. So we want to give a huge thank you to all our supporters. We so appreciate you and are amazed at your generosity. If you want to also help support our journey, check us out on Patreon. There's a link below in the description. Or if it's easier, scan your phone right now on the QR code that's right here on the screen. Now make it a great day and see you next episode.